Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up the device. So in this video I'd like to show you non-standard ways of removing some, of freeing some space. Let's begin with specific apps. So if you feel that one of the apps is working a little bit slower and you have no idea what to do, then let's enter the settings, scroll down and find the apps and enter manage apps. So here let's localize the app. Of course you can simply enter the name of it. If you've got a lot of apps it will be much faster, so for example Facebook or something like that, or you can just scroll, it's totally up to you. So let's find the app and then tap on it, and here we have to open the storage, so let's tap on it. Here, usually, if you're using the app for a very long time, you will have a lot of cache here. So all you have to do is to clear cache. As you can see, I cannot do that because I do not have any cache here. Let me choose maybe Chrome. Oh, here we've got it. Here it is active. So just tap on clear cache, and it should help. Moreover, you can try to find a system manager or any related option. You should be able to find this icon, this app. It is pre-installed on the Honor. So let's tap on it, and here you've got two different ways to clear your device and try to make it work faster. So you can either tap on optimize, and your device is trying to optimize the performance, the security and the battery, so it should help. Just tap on done, and here we've got this cleanup option. So as you can see here, we've got recommended options, recommended things which we can remove. So for example, junk files. We can also perform the cleanup by the category, so we can remove some images which are duplicated, for example, or audio. So here we've got the screenshots, one image which is duplicated, or the audio. As I said, here we've got all of them, all of the audios, you can remove them. Simply tap on cleanup and your device will remove the data, which will make your device also faster. And the last thing, which is I would say really easy. However, remember about restarting your device after clearing cache and optimizing, because thanks to it you can just confirm, let's say, all of the changes. So all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together. Just a quick press, and here tap on restart, and your device will be restarted and all of the changes will be confirmed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.